Hello, this is Alistair Paragas from Forfront Technologies, here with a tutorial on making and having your own free telephone number and telephone interface. Many of you might have seen the commercials from Vonage and Magic Jack about the $20 and $25 all year or all month plan. You can call anyone from the United States and Canada and cheap calls anywhere around the world. Well, I'm here to tell you that you can do all that for free and also legally. First step you have to do is open up your web browser and head immediately to voxox.com. That's voxox.com. You would need to download their software, download full desktop software. Download it for Windows if you have Windows, or Mac if you have a Mac, and just follow through the steps. They're common sense, anyone can make them. At the end, they'll ask you in the last step to confirm your account by giving a real phone number. So you need to give them a real phone number so they can send a text message, an SMS message to it, and in that message they will provide a code so you can activate your account so they can confirm you're a real person. After that step is done, they'll ask you the option of trying to look for your phone number. So just go through that. I know you can do it. Blah blah blah. After everything is done, you should see your interface exactly like this, with your phone number, your name, and a green light. Green means you're online, you're perfectly fine, no problem whatsoever with the connection. After that's all said and done, go immediately to Google Voice. If you don't have a Google account, make a Google account. But if you already have a Google account, then head immediately to google.com/voice, log in. Your screen would look completely different from my screen because you're a beginner in Google Voice. They will come up with a bunch of steps in setting up your account, so you would need to accomplish those first, and at the end they'll provide you your free phone number. Now, here's the difference. Why is it free? Why is it legal? Here is the reason. VoxOx is completely free because it only catches inbound calls, calls that you receive, while Google Voice sends outbound calls. You can only call people with it. You can't receive calls from it. So what we're going to do is connect them, basically. So when you're done tinkering your VoxOx account and your Google Voice account, go to the top right of your Google Voice account screen, settings, voice settings. In the phones tab, add another phone. Now, name that phone whatever you would like to call it, and for the number, enter this exact phone number. I don't know whether it works with the one or without one. Let me just check quickly. Account, voice settings. Okay, you don't need the number one, so disregard this number one. One means you live in the United States. You don't really need that. And after that's done, well, you're basically done. So now, how are you going to get inbound calls when somebody's calling you? All you need is, when someone's calling you, you need to have your VoxOx account, your program open, so that you can receive any inbound calls. If you don't receive any inbound calls, then it would straightly go to your voicemail. Oh, and I forgot one thing. When Google Voice would try to confirm you have a VoxOx, you're using a phone number, you would need to go to your VoxOx program, go to accounts. I'm sorry, let me see. You would need to go to file, preferences, go to phone. Let me see this. Phone is loading. I'm sorry, I forgot to talk about this step. This step is crucial for Google Voice to confirm that your telephone number with VoxOx is working and is for real. Wait for a second. Okay, let's go to general. You would have to uncheck every single box in here. Leave all these boxes unchecked. I repeat, leave all these boxes unchecked. These boxes present a menu, a voice menu, in the beginning when someone is calling, and you can't have that with Google Voice because Google Voice is an automated calling service. So when it tries to call your phone number wouldn't connect it to you because Google Voice is a robot. It's not a human. It doesn't talk to your VoxOx account and say, I'm John Doe or I'm Jane Doe. So you need to uncheck all of these. Press apply and you're done. Okay, so when that's said and done, and you've added your phone number, your VoxOx phone number in your Google Voice settings, and you've confirmed your Google Voice, your VoxOx phone number with Google Voice by following the step I just told you, now you can completely receive inbound calls. Now for outbound calls, you can't use the call window here. You can't use that. So you can call someone, you would have to open your Google Voice account, go to call, whatever number you would like to call. Let's put my other phone number, 941-4410. Phone to call with, don't choose Google Talk. Choose the name of the phone, VoxOx phone number you've added. Click that, connect. You should see your VoxOx account ringing. See? Just press enter, and it would connect you immediately. That's it. See, my phone just rang noisily in the house, and that's it. Basically what Google Voice does is fool your phone by calling you, so it looks like an inbound call, but Google Voice connects your inbound call with the phone you're calling. So it is legal, but it's a loophole. So, well, thank you for watching my video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. This is Alistair Paragas from Forfront Technologies, and I'm out.